Chapter 5. The Role of Entrepreneurs and Capital, Profit or Social Responsibility. As artificial intelligence, AI, and automation advance, business leaders are at the forefront of decisions that shape the future of work. While technology presents unprecedented opportunities for efficiency and cost reduction, it also raises a fundamental question. To what extent should corporate decisions prioritize profit over social well-being? The pursuit of profit above all. Historically, many companies have embraced automation as a means to maximize profits, cutting labor costs and increasing productivity. This model yields impressive financial results for shareholders, but often at the expense of workers and communities. Real-world examples. Tech and automation giants. Companies like Amazon and Tesla have implemented robots and automated systems on a large scale, replacing thousands of warehouse and factory workers. Banking sector. Financial institutions like Bank of America and Santander have closed hundreds of physical branches, replacing staff with mobile apps and advanced ATMs. These decisions are driven by cost reduction. Machines don't require salaries, benefits, or rest. Increased efficiency. Automation eliminates human error and operates 24/7. Investor pressure. Companies face constant demands for rapid growth and financial returns. While effective for financial performance, these practices often leave workers vulnerable and contribute to rising inequality. Commitment to social responsibility. On the other hand, some companies are adopting a balanced approach, integrating technological innovation with social responsibility. This commitment acknowledges that while automation is inevitable, it should be implemented in a way that minimizes social harm and creates shared value. Examples of ethical practices. Microsoft and workforce reskilling. Microsoft invests in training programs to prepare workers for tech-related roles. Their Global Digital Skills Initiative has helped millions of people adapt to the changing job market. Patagonia and sustainability. Although not focused on automation, Patagonia demonstrates how an ethical approach can coexist with financial success, prioritizing fair wages and sustainable practices. Siemens and smart factories. Siemens offers specialized training for workers to operate and supervise automated systems, ensuring that the existing workforce keeps pace with technological advancements. These initiatives show that advanced technologies can be adopted without abandoning a commitment to workers and society. The duality of corporate decisions. Business decisions about automation often reflect a tension between two approaches. Short-term profit. Cutting costs immediately by replacing humans with machines. Long-term sustainability. Investing in reskilling and maintaining jobs, building trust with workers and consumers. Consequences of prioritizing short-term profit. Damaged reputation. Consumers are increasingly aware of corporate practices and may boycott unethical companies. Local economic impact. Communities destabilized by job losses have reduced purchasing power, ultimately harming businesses. Benefits of a sustainable approach. Loyalty and trust. Workers and customers view the company as a reliable and ethical partner. Sustainable innovation. Investing in skilled workers fosters new ideas and internal solutions. The role of capitalism and investors. The current capitalist system often rewards profit-driven practices. However, signs of change are emerging. Sustainable investment. Funds like BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, are pressuring companies to adopt social and environmental sustainability. B Corp companies. A growing movement of corporations is registering as B Corp, legally committing to balancing profit with social impact. Regulation and governance. Governments and regulators also play a crucial role. Public policies can encourage responsible corporate practices such as automation taxes. Companies that replace workers with machines may be required to contribute more to retraining programs or social safety nets. Tax incentives, offering financial benefits to businesses that prioritize reskilling and sustainability. Conclusion. Corporate decisions extend far beyond financial balance sheets. Entrepreneurs and investors hold the power to shape the future of work and society. The choice between maximizing short-term profits and embracing social responsibility will determine whether automation becomes a force of destruction or an opportunity for a more equitable world. The ultimate question: who is really in control? The machines, the business leaders, or the collective well-being of society? Cases of companies and their decisions in the use of AI. The use of artificial intelligence, AI, by companies varies significantly. Some corporations demonstrate how technology can be implemented ethically, benefiting both workers and society. Others prioritize cost-cutting, resulting in negative social impacts, such as mass unemployment and job insecurity. Companies that adopted AI ethically. Microsoft. Reskilling and technological education. Microsoft is frequently highlighted as a positive example in the use of AI. Instead of simply replacing workers, the company invests in reskilling to prepare people for the future of work. Global Digital Skills Initiative. In partnership with LinkedIn, Microsoft has trained over 25 million people in tech-related skills worldwide, including areas such as machine learning and data analysis. Transparency in AI use. The company has established ethical guidelines for AI development, ensuring that its systems respect privacy, inclusion, and security. Outcome. Microsoft not only leads technological innovation, but also builds trust among workers, consumers, and governments, proving that profit and social responsibility can be balanced. Siemens. Reskilling for Industry 4.0. Siemens is a pioneer in the smart factory concept, where AI and robots optimize industrial processes. Instead of laying off workers, the company invests in reskilling programs. Automation academies. Siemens has created training centers to teach workers how to operate and oversee automated systems. Ethical AI integration. The company prioritizes job retention using automation to improve working conditions, especially in hazardous or repetitive tasks. Outcome, Siemens keeps its workforce engaged and skilled, proving that automation can be a tool to empower workers rather than replace them. Unilever. AI for sustainability and inclusion. Unilever uses AI to reduce waste and improve sustainability without compromising jobs. Process optimization. AI is used to monitor water and energy consumption in factories, helping the company meet sustainability goals. Ethical recruitment. The company has implemented AI systems to eliminate biases in the hiring process, ensuring equal opportunities. Outcome. Unilever demonstrates that AI can be leveraged not just for efficiency, but also to promote fairness and sustainability. Companies that prioritized cost-cutting at any price. Amazon. Warehouse automation. Amazon is one of the most well-known examples of how automation can be used to cut costs, often at the expense of workers. Extensive use of robots. The company has deployed robots across its distribution centers, significantly reducing the need for human workers. Pressure on human workers. Remaining employees face unrealistic productivity targets, monitored by AI systems, creating a high-stress work environment. Negative impact. While Amazon has achieved record efficiency and profits, automation has contributed to poor working conditions and ethical concerns.